So what kind of research can I do on Warden, and what agents are available to help me do that kind of research? Well, you can do research out of the Ask Me Anything agent here. So I can ask it, what is happening in the crypto markets? And it will go and do some superficial high-level research. It might use some publicly available databases. It might use the internet to answer that question. It'll give you a little bit of data and a snapshot into what's happening. But let's imagine I want to go deeper. Well, the perfect agent to use for that is the Messari Deep Research Agent. This is an agent that we've co-built with Messari. It has access to the on-chain and off-chain data, and you can query it in natural language. So I can ask it to do some very in-depth research for me, and each time I do that, it's 25 cents. So let's do a research exercise. So it will go and try and access the on-chain and off-chain data that Messari makes available via this agent, and it will formulate this into a comprehensive research report here that gives you as much or as little detail as you're looking for here. So I've asked for 30 days overview of the BNB chain ecosystem. Give me some tokens that are trending, call out some metrics. So you can see here that it's picked out a few key themes. It's giving me an overview of those. It's giving me some trending tokens, some meme coin activity, what's happening on the exchange side. And let's go even deeper. Let's ask it a question about USDY. What is USDYC? So here we go, report on what US yield coin is. The background on Circle's acquisition, some market data on it, that's cool. Some competitors in the space, market cap, market share. So you really can get a hell of a lot of information out of the Messari Deep Research Agent. And it's one of the first research tools available on Warden. We will be aggregating a number of institutional research tools, making them available as an agent, and making this available to our customers and users instantly. So expect much more in the research space available on Warden in the very near future.